Alright guys, I have another story problem for us to work through. Again, I just erased my board, kept my 3 parts for my success solving criteria: notes, solving, and communicate. Don't forget, you always need an equation in that middle part with solving. Like I said in the last video, if you watched it, if you want to pause when I am making this video so that you can try and solve the math problem on your own, that's a great idea. If you want to do it with me, that's fine too. So the last one was difference unknown. This is going to be, it's difference unknown or add an unknown. Like I said, you can add or subtract to solve, but there's something we need to figure out, and it is not the total. So don't add the 2 numbers together. If you're trying it on your own, don't add them together. All right, let me read it to you real quick. It's about stickers. Pat had 19 stickers. Charlie had 12 stickers. How many more stickers did Pat have than Charlie? So we know when a problem asks how many more, it wants us to compare 2 numbers, and we can either add or subtract to figure that out. So I'm going to do my notes and write down what I know for sure. I know Pat has 19 stickers, so I'm going to put a P, and I'm going to put 19S. And I know Charlie has 12, so I'm going to put C, 12S. Right? Very simple, very easy. Pat stickers, Charlie stickers. I want to solve how many more Pat has than Charlie. So I'm going to put question mark more. Hopefully if you did the last video with me or you watched it, all of this stuff is coming back to you. I know it seems like we haven't been in school for a really long time, but it's only been the weekend, so it should still be right in your brain. Alright, so I'm going to solve this one, but I'm going to solve it with addition this time. We solved the last one with subtraction. Again, remember, we can solve story problems with addition or subtraction. It does not matter as long as we are attending to precision, we're answering the question, and we're checking for accuracy. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to set up my equation first. I'm going to start with 12 Charlie's stickers. I'm going to say 12 plus blank equals 19. And the reason I'm doing that is because I want to find out what goes here to see how many more stickers Pat has than Charlie. Alright? I could set it up as 19 minus 12. Doesn't matter. We should get the same answer whichever way you do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw 12 circles. So I'm going to start with Charlie's stickers and represent that with 12 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right? So I'm going to double check real quick for accuracy. I see 6 on top, 6 on the bottom. 6 plus 6 is 12 because I know my double facts. All right? So now I'm going to add on and draw circles until I get to 19, and then I'm going to stop and see how many I added. So I've got 12. So what I'm going to do, let me see if I can do this without looking. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That's the number I wanted to get to, right? So now I need to count how many I just added, and that's what should go in the blank part in my equation, and that would be how many more. Alright, so I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I plug 7 in here, and I double check for accuracy, maybe I recount my circles, or I am using a number line or manipulatives, if I have them, I will find out that 12 plus 7 does equal 19. So my last thing I need to do is communicate my answer. The question was asking me how many more stickers did Pat have than Charlie, not how many total. Remember I said don't add them together, don't add them together. So I'm going to say Pat has 7 more stickers. And just because you're at home and not at school and I can't actually see you, I'm really hoping, that's not a period, that's a smudge, that you're still doing a capital letter and a period at the end when you're communicating your answer, right? So Pat has 7 more stickers. You could say Pat has 7 more stickers than Charlie. Pat has 7 more stickers. Yeah. Either way, doesn't matter. So that is Addend, or that is Addend unknown. You can do it as difference unknown as well, and hopefully you get the same answer, because if we do the inverse operation of 12 plus 7 equals 19, that would be 19 minus 12 equals 7, or 19 minus 7 equals 12. There's no wrong way to do it as long as you're getting the right answer and you understand what you're doing. All right? So thanks for doing that math problem with me. I have one more we could do together today, and keep checking back. I'll add some more while we are working from home.